Hi, this is Kelly Hobart from Alpaca Direct, and we're here looking at our new knit club project for this month. And the knit club project's called the Norwegian Lilac Fields Hat, and it features a wonderful Latvian braid with some beautiful color work. The things that you're going to learn this month are the Latvian braid, of course, and you're going to learn to lock floats if you don't already know how to do that, and possibly, if you would like to learn, I've shown you how to knit with both hands and do your color work just a little more quickly and have a great time while you're doing it. Also, there are two changes in the pattern. One is cast on 104 stitches instead of 102 because we have the 2x2 ribbing, and that needs to be a multiple of 4. When you begin the setup row, right before you do the body of the hat chart, you're going to have to decrease 2 stitches in pattern. So look for the PDF file and it'll show you the 2 changes. And you can add those to your pattern so you don't have a problem with the pattern. Anyways, we have chosen this wonderful yarn. It's called Coeur d'Alene Bravo Petites, and it's 100% baby alpaca made in Peru. It's a totally lovely yarn. So I hope that you enjoy this project, and don't forget to use your knit. It's a little visualizer, and if you hold it up to your project, you can see that it helps you read your rows more easily for those of you who have a hard time reading the fine print. So you guys enjoy your project, and I will see you next month.